Ipinasinayaan ng JC's Bulawan sa pangunguna ni Attorney Clarissa Donatilla Cu sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon ng launching ng Project Honesto Beyond Prison Walls. Layunin ng nasabing proyekto ang i-challenge ang bawat inmates na maging matapat. Sa kabila naman ng halos karamihan sa mga ito ay may kinakaharap na kasong pagnanakaw. Kabilang sa mga programa ng Project Honesto ay ang livelihood, kung saan tutulungan ang bawat nakakulong sa paggawa ng mga artificial flowers na ibebenta naman ng JC's. Gayon din ang paglalagay ng Honesto Store sa loob ng kulungan na walang magbabantay. Dito ay kukuha ang mga preso ng mga paninda at sila mismo ang maglalagay ng pera sa isang lalagyan katumbas ng presyo na kanilang binili.
I have recently been to Batanes and there is this what you call honesty store there. The concept of the store is that there is no shopkeeper, so wala pong bantay. So the customers just go inside, they get what they want, they list it in the store logbook, and then they pay for it in the cash box. So walang taong titingin kung talaga bang binayaran nila yung product na kinuha nila. So this store teaches the value of honesty. So what our very idealistic project is to put up an honesty store inside the Bureau of Management and Penology. So we would like to put up an honesty store inside prison.
Magkakaroon rin ng mga seminars na huhubog naman sa mga karakter at pagpapabago ng kanilang pananaw kahit sila ay nasa kulungan.
Actually, before we thought of really doing this, I've talked to some of the jail guards and they said it won't work. Why? Because sabi nila, these people are criminals and they are by nature dishonest. Actually, most of my clients here at BJMP are charged of the crime with the crime of theft. So pagnanakaw. It's really a challenge. However, JCI is here to provide development opportunities that empower young people to create positive change. And what are we here for if not to provide them an opportunity to actually change? That's why the subtitle of our Project Honesto is a chance to change. We would like to give them the opportunity to practice honesty even while they are inside prison, so that when they are given the chance to come out and be productive members of the community, they are already capable of just continuing what they have done here, which is being honest.
Naniniwala naman ang JC sa pangunguna ni Atty. Diding Cu, presidente ng Bulawan JC's, na magiging successful ang nasabing programa bagamat isa umano itong hamon sa mga inmates na patunayan na kaya nilang magbago at gawin ang tama hindi lamang sa loob ng kulungan kundi maging sa kanilang paglaya.
JCI Diet Bulawan, the jail guards, as well as the prisoners, we would all help each other to make this project be successful. And I would like to inform you that actually there is a twist in our project. Siyempre magkakaroon ng proceeds, magkakaroon ng kita yung store. It will not go to JCI, of course. It will also not go for the benefit of the inmates. It will go to the victims of crime. And that is the irony of this project. Sila yung pipili ng beneficiary. So we would give the inmates a chance to do an outreach program. Yun yung twist nun. Kasi di ba usually, yung mga tao, they do outreach programs inside prison. This time, they will have that opportunity to give. What JCI would like to do actually is to share with them what we feel, and that is the bliss of giving. And that would also give them a chance to mend their guilt and to free their conscience, which is a big problem for some inmates who cannot get rid of it. That's why they cannot really change. So we want them to get rid of all the guilty feelings and so that they would actually be better.
Suportado naman ni Diet District Jail Warden Senior Inspector Gerardo Berdin ang nasabing proyekto at umaasang magiging basehan ito para sa mga nakakulong kung sino talaga ang nais magbagong buhay.
Maging tulong ito, bali karagdagan pong livelihood project para sa ating mga inmates. Ito ay yung paggawa ng mga bulaklak. Hindi lang po yung mga babaeng inmates namin gumagawa nito, pati lalaki. Sa ngayon po ay marami kaming livelihood, iba-ibang klase. Kasama na ito sa kayong bangkwang native basket na for export pa po.
Para sa CNTV News, Tess Kalimlim.